I am not into this campaign with the labor rights where them just a tell one bag of lie and talk foolishness, you know.
And you will Nesta need to tell no lie to win.
The People's National Party under the leadership of Mark Jefferson Golding will choose the people from day one. From day one, you will be the priority.
Compare what we had under the PNP. Under the PNP, babies were dying in hospital from germs. Andrew Holness built a hospital for babies.
What a set of people, you are dry.
And I say it again, woman. The PNP is the weapon that was formed against the people of Jamaica.
Because you cannot be in government for 10 years and then come at the end of the day to say we are going to choose the people now. Then who were you choosing all along? It reminds me of when we were at school, Victor. And when your exam done and you come out, you have one student who suddenly remember all of the answer them, but they never write none down on the paper when the exam are gone. But it's when the exam done that them can tell you about all of what gone. If you have not chosen the people in 10 years, you can't come now to talk about you're going to choose the people.
Yes, my viewers and subscribers. The battle is on. Which side are they on? PNP side or JLP? Touch up the like button for me there. Show your colors and pick your side. My viewers and subscribers, I want to know if you hit the like button for me. You are hearing the excitement between Dr. Dayton Campbell at a PNP meeting and this a mad one and Nesta him from the JLP, our JLP meeting. Two different camps talking two different things, my viewers and subscribers. Dayton Campbell said them in a power for much years and now do nothing. This is one that said that who compared then and now. My viewers and subscribers, watch the video to the end. I'm want to like and share the video because the Jamaica Labour Party under pressure, you know. Only just call the election and then we will find out. Jamaica, the video, a pure excitement. Because this is one I tell pure lie. Pure lie that one I tell my viewers and subscribers as usual. Only touch up the like button for me now. Watch the video to the end. The excitement is going to start now.
The Minister of Constitutional Affairs. And she said that the PNP is not supposed to lead the country because of the constitution reform thing. And when I heard it, I said to myself, what a set of people you are dry. Because it is the same Marlene Malawu Fort that has given the most bad advice to the Prime Minister that has caused him to lose court case after court case after court case. How could she be the one to turn around now talking about constitution? Don't make no sense. But it is a typical behavior of the labor rights. They will do something and then speak like they have done nothing or that they have done the total opposite. I can't understand when I hear them, for example, come out and say they have fixed the most roads. Because I wondering if them never seen on the roads them in a Westmoreland for fix. The time that it would take you to travel, to do your business and go about what you're doing, has been increased significantly based on the condition of the roads.
We realized that people have spent 2-3 hours per Howard Cook Boulevard. And we went to the drawing board and we say, no sir, we have to build a road to help the people them where come up at this side there. So them now have to drive through the town, and when you're tired of come from work, and when you reach home, you can't even hug up your boyfriend. You can't even hug up your boyfriend. You can't even hug up your boyfriend.
What a set of people you are dry.
You can't even hug up your boyfriend.
Murder. You can't even hug up your boyfriend. So Nesta, let me ask you a question. You are the Minister of Works. And you know the struggles where people go through on the road. And you're saying that when people go home, they can't even hug up their boyfriend. So a boyfriend upon your mind. A boyfriend upon your mind. You know what upon the people in mind when they reach home for go cook their picnic food, go help their picnic with their lunch, with their homework, go take a shower, go make sure them can pay their bills. Oh boyfriend coming at this. Jamaica, me I tell you, say them people are priority wrong, you know. Nesta boyfriend, they on your mind, everybody type boyfriend. Jamaica, like and share that live for me now. Like and share the video of boyfriend. Continue to listen to the dance bat. Continue to listen.
When Oma call me, Mr. Morgan, me need this a road, me need this a road, me need this a road. Me tap answer Oma call sometime. Sometimes I see Oma call me and I turn off the phone. Because I know a road in go beg. But I ask myself the question, St. James Southern. If a man do 4 years and fix so much road, and a man do 30 a year, and a man will do 4 years, fix more road than a man will do 30 a year, answer the question, isn't the PNP the weapon that was formed against the people of Jamaica? We, as a government, are not perfect. When we came in to power, we looked at the situation in St. James.
And so, I am not into this campaign with the labor rights where them just tell one bag of lie and talk foolishness, you know. Because you cannot be in government for 10 years and then come at the end of the day to say we are going to choose the people now. Then who were you choosing all along? It reminds me of when we were at school, Victor. And when your exam done and you come out, you have one student who suddenly remember all of the answer them, but they never write none down on the paper when the exam are gone. But it's when the exam done that them can tell you about all of what gone. If you have not chosen the people in 10 years, you can't come now to talk about you're going to choose the people. The People's National Party under the leadership of Mark Jefferson Golding will choose the people from day one. From day one, you will be the priority. We are not seeking to govern because we want to enrich ourselves. We are seeking to govern so we can address the issues that are facing the people. What are the issues that are facing the people? If you go around and look, you will see them. You don't need to be no scholar. From your walk around and look, you will see the issues that are affecting the people. And I agree with Comrade Dwayne Vaz that Westmoreland has been faithful to the People's National Party. And time come now for the People's National Party to be faithful to the people of Westmoreland. Normally sun rise in the east, but when it comes to PNP and the rising sun, the sun rise in the west, because it's where the west go that the rest will go.
And when I tell people that the PNP, Homer, is the weapon that was formed against Jamaica, people don't take me serious. I'm going to read something to you again. And we need to remember, you know, because some of the young people, them women, don't remember PNP. I want you to listen again. Health Minister Fenton Ferguson has sought to explain the survival chances of premature babies, stating that it is difficult to keep them alive. You remember that? The health minister and his team has been facing backlash since it was revealed that 18 newborns died from an outbreak at the University Hospital of the West Indies and the Cornwall Regional Hospital in the last 4 months. Do the people of South St. James remember that? Do the women of South St. James remember that? But I want to read something else to you. PM Wholeness breaks ground for Children and Adolescent Hospital in Montego Bay. Prime Minister Andrew Wholeness yesterday broke ground for the construction of a Western Children Hospital in Montego Bay. He said the construction of the hospital will improve Jamaica's ranking on the Global Human Development Index. I want to say to you, my friends in South St. James, I said to you earlier, Andrew Wellness, I need to tell no lie if you win. Compare what we had under the PNP. Under the PNP, babies were dying in hospital from germs. Andrew Wellness built a hospital for babies. And I say it again, Oma, the PNP is the weapon that was formed against the people of Jamaica. But it gets worse. We have had to repair over 100 police stations since we have been in power. We used to go down a Freeport police station and shame. Police used to walk in at the station and drop through the floor. If the PNP was doing such an amazing job of running the country, why would we have to come in, Homer, and repair over 100 police stations? I say to you again, PNP is the weapon that was formed again. Homer Davis has been a member of parliament in this constituency for 4 years plus. The other man was here for over 30 years, Homer.
Jamaica, me tell us them can't trick we again, say it burn them. Nesta it burn you again, me say it burn them. True you can't tell a lie, me say it burn them. Nobody now listen you again, me say it burn them. Nesta, listen to me. Remember, say you was the master of sermon for lies. You make the lie, dish them out, and your big nose Devon used to run with them. But of lately, Nesta Morgan, you can't tell the lie them or you lie them not so relevant anymore because we the bloggers are putting out the truth and we showing the people the facts that they can see. You see this a wicked one, yeah? You hear every minute in the pan, oh, PNP are the weapons against this and this and no matter where you want tell Jamaica people about PNP, you are no longer relevant. Student on the type, no longer relevant. Why you don't go talk about the boyfriend? Remember you say both can go home for go hug up boyfriend, you know. Why you not go talk about boyfriend, everybody type boyfriend? A boyfriend they pay your mind? At the end of the video, go and play where you say about boyfriend. Nesta, listen to me, man. Time come because your propagandas are no longer relevant, you know. Jamaica, let me tell you, see, him was the master of propaganda. When him push out the lie, you know, and tell you the lie, you know, all when you have the truth in front of you, you know, you reject the truth and tell him lies, you know. But we turn the tables and it a bother him. And because him can't tell the lie them so good, him party leader push him out at the communications role and give it to somebody else. Time come. So we are going to push them out, the people them are going to vote them out, and the PNP are going to come in and bring in the policies that benefit the people them. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to Jamaica Hot Topic. One hot topic.
You can't even hug up your boyfriend. You can't even hug up your boyfriend. You can't even hug up your boyfriend.